Ito pa sa Pansol, Kalamba. Para sa television ng ating paliwanag live ng Patch 37. So, ngayon po, sisimulan na natin ang ating program. Siyempre, panalangin. Siyempre, invocation. Gawin nila may Timiner Ian Patrick.
Huwag na makisali! Inis na ako.
Hoy! Host din ako. Hindi ako nakikisali.
Ito mong ginawa mo.
Sorry, host din ako.
Everybody's presence.
Pero maganda. Sabi! They got 4 people. 2 people from the and then, so yun one guy.
Okay.
Nakakainis kasi, babayaran natin yan. Hindi nyo naiintindihan kasi. Wala na nga pera, tapos ganyan pa.
Okay, for those concerned,
Hindi nyo kasi naiintindihan, tapos ang hirap pagka sa singilan.
let's all bow our heads. Come on, everybody. Let's stand up and let's all bow our heads. Okay.
Stand up.
For a moment, everybody,
Stand up.
let's all stand up and please bow our heads. I'll tell you later. Okay. What?
Let's implement the OP, sir.
Okay. Go. Wait.
Yeah, so get it fast.
Matt is working, brings out the best.
Kick your ass.
I told you. Freedom and it's
Okay. Ready? Okay. Let's all bow our heads.
Actually, I've seen that before.
Okay. We thank God for this day, for allowing us to be together, and we are happy, and He has given us the time to be together, just by thanking us, everybody, and we always think that we should be happy. We should always have our hearts together and our minds, so that in every place that we go, we will always be together. So thank